Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is Chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction, Exercise 2.7, 2.8 and 2.9. The difference of 29,875 and 89,521 is. So we have to find the difference of given number, which is the greater one. So from the following, always we have to take the greatest number. 80. That is 89,521 minus 29,875. Now subtract. Can we subtract 1 minus 5? No. 1 will become 11. While we have to regroup it. 2 will become 1. So 11 minus 5 is 6. And from here we have to regroup it. 11. So this is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Again we have to regroup it. It will be 8 and 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now 8 minus 9 we cannot. Again we have to regroup it. 8 will become 18. This 8 will become 7. 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the difference is 59,646. So here which option is correct one? Option 2. Next one. Subtract the following and choose the correct option. Subtract the following and choose the correct option. So, can we subtract here? What is the given numbers? Here 9,28,562 minus 52,349. Can we subtract 2 minus 9? No, we cannot. So, again we have to regroup it here. So, 2 will become 12. This 6 will become 5. We are taking 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 5 we cannot. So again we have to regroup it. 2 will become 12. This 9 will become 8. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 8. So what is the answer? 8,76,230. 8,76,230. So option 1 is correct one. Next one. If we subtract dash from any number, the answer is the number itself. So what is that number? If you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. So which is the correct option from the given one? Option 3. Next one. When we subtract dash from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. So when we subtract dash from a number, so we will get predecessor means before number. So when it is suppose 5 minus 1, so we will get 4. 4 is the predecessor of 5. So when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. So which is the correct option from the given one? Option 4. Next, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is dash. Okay, when we subtract a number from itself, the answer is dash. Suppose we are subtracting 10 minus 10. What did you get? 0 as the answer. So 0. So which is the correct option from the given one? 2. Next one. 98,921 minus 1000. So simply, here 78,921 is given. From 78,921 minus 1000. So we have to subtract 1000. So here 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 0 is 9. So here just 8 minus 1 is 7 and here 7. 7 we cannot subtract anywhere here. We have to bring down 7 as it is. We will get 77,921. 77,921 while subtracting 78,921 minus 1000. Okay. So which is the correct option from that? Option 1. The required option is 1. Next one. 34,013 less than 36,541. Now subtract 36,541 minus 34,013 will get how much is less. So we cannot subtract 1 minus 3. 1 will become 11 by regrouping. This 4 will become 3. So 11 minus 3 is 8 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 2528. So which is the correct option? That option 4. Next one, what will be the difference if the sum of 61,287 and 12,381 is subtracted from 2,23,538. So what we have to do? First we have to add these two numbers. Then we have to subtract this number. So add first these two numbers. What are that? 61,287 and 12,381. Now add the given numbers. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we have to subtract. 2,23,538 minus how much? 73,668. 73,668. So we have to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 minus 6 can we? No, we have to regroup it. 3 will become 13. So from we are taking one number to 5. So this 5 will become 4. 13 minus 6. While regrouping, 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 4 minus 6 we cannot. Again we have to take the regrouping. 4 will become 14. This 3 will become 2. 14 minus 6 is 8. So regroup it now. Here 2 will become 12. This 2 will become 1. 12 minus 3 is 9. Regroup it. So 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 will become 2 will become 1. So take 1. So we will get 1,49,870. So from the following, which is the correct one? Option 3. Next one, 5,78,521 minus dash equal to 5,78,421. So here just you can observe only all remaining digits are same. All places digits are same except hundreds place number. So here 5 is there, here 4 is there. So how much means which number if you subtracted from this number will get 5,78,421. Simply you can say 100. Otherwise you can say 5,78,521 minus 100. See 1, 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, 8, 7, 5. You got 5,78,421. So which is the correct option from the following? Option 2. Next one, 88,888 minus 10. So if you subtracted from this number minus 10, what did you get? You will get 88,878. Simply 10 numbers we are going back. So which is the correct option from the following? Option 4. So once again you practice addition and subtraction sums, children. Thank you.